don't know about you, but I definitely feel alive. Um, I think not just, of course, because I'm here amongst so many, dignitaries and, of course, the loving media. I think I feel alive because for two reasons today. The number one reason being what makes me most alive is I think I'm in the best phase of my life. Secondly, what is added to that and made me feel even more alive is to be the face of this such a prestigious channel that is going to be launched on the 6th of March. That is the collaboration of Sony Pictures and BBC. I mean, what more can I ask for? The most vivacious, the most alive, the most positive content I think I've ever seen on Sony BBC Earth. And to be the Feel Alive ambassador, I think I'd like to thank them for actually giving me this opportunity to, see and be a part of this world that I think as a child, every girl and every boy has dreamt of. So thank you so much, Sony BBC Earth, for actually choosing me to be this Feel Alive ambassador. And I think we fit in perfectly together. Like I said, it's the best phase. It's the most alive phase I'm in. And of course, our personalities, somewhere I'm a happy girl, always looking out for positivity. And so is the content on this channel. What more can you ask for? And more elated today is actually to be a part of the family of somebody that I've actually grown up hearing. One of the greatest storytellers of its times, Sir David Attenborough. To be a part of this family, just hear his stories. I mean, I think for me, it is the greatest achievement. And I would obviously once again take this opportunity to thank all of y'all, to the Sony team, to actually, who've made me a part of it. I think all of y'all have seen the campaign. What more, I think, what nobody knows is that I was actually 4 months pregnant when we shot this campaign. So, well, my son is definitely feeling alive at this moment, even though he's not amongst us. But he is definitely going to be watching Sony BBC Earth, watching all the shows on it, such positive content, such real content, such a connect to nature, to adventure, to wildlife. A channel that actually makes us feel so close to the things that we actually, we dream of, we never think of. Look at the story of whether it's Snow Chick, narrated by Kate Winslet. I think I hope I have the opportunity to do something like that in Hindi, if we could, because, I think it's such a touching story. All the stories are so relatable. A penguin who's going through so much hardships in, Antarctica. You actually think of that a human being can go through that. You can put yourself in such situations. Whether it's a penguin, whether it's a human being, the stories are so human. That's one of my most favorite stories, and it's definitely a story that I'll be showing Taimur for sure. And of course, Saif is also a very special mention. He has definitely asked me to ask them that he loves wildlife, he loves adventure, he's seen Planet Earth, he's desperately waiting for part 2. He's obsessed with the hunt. He's just asked me to ask that why was he not chosen as the brand ambassador and why his wife? So I said, it's because I'm also glamorous. This channel needs some glamour.
Alive, what will be your key role in?
Well, like I said, I think Sony BBC Earth has always, BBC Earth, of course, has always had content which is so real, which is so human, which is so positive. I think to spread positivity, to be real, to spread joy and happiness through adventure, through nature, through wildlife. I think that's all our responsibilities, not just mine. And of course, definitely as a Feel Alive ambassador, I think that is the key, is to spread the positivity, to, share definitely stories that I'm aware of, like when they came to approach me and they showed me the content of Planet Earth 2. They showed me, some content of it, some stills of it, and some footage of it. I think that immediately I was like, I want to be a part of this. So the content that it has on this channel, I think it should make everybody feel alive and feel a part of it. So that is, of course, also my role as a Feel Alive ambassador.
Which is your favorite story? You said you have heard so many stories.
Yeah, of course. I think there's an excitement, like I told you, it's a story about a penguin and the hardships that it goes through in Antarctica. I think that is something that touches me the most and I relate to it the most. Of course, a dream being to one day go to Antarctica. But I think all the stories are so fresh, so relatable, so human. I think each one of them. But of course, I'm really looking forward to Planet Earth too. That is something that I'm really, really excited about. And everyone else, of course, you all should be.
We all are, anyways. Next hand, please. Who'd like to ask? I'm here. Hello, ma'am. Good evening. What's your name?
Which one was your favorite episode and why? Like, have you watched the first season of the show?
I think definitely if you say that, I think the entire season, all the episodes, it's so hard to, pick and choose one instance because I relate to, I'm very into wildlife and nature. Not many people know this about me. Of course, I think being a lover for that, I think the entire season, all the stories are so relatable. That's what makes it, I think, so special. Whether it's, and of course the narrative is what makes it most special from, Sir David Attenborough. I think that is something which it just takes it to another level. Just listening to him, I think. Don't you agree?
All right, next question, please.
This is Shama Bhagatia. Would like to ask you, have you been on any adventure, and have you seen wildlife in life?
Well, in India, there are very few places where you could spot, of course, wildlife in such close proximity. But of course, I'm obsessed with the tiger, so I've been to Ranthambore. And we sat in a jeep for nearly six and a half hours, both me and Saif. And I think the whole experience was actually so surreal that the fact that, they're so close. And I thought I would be scared, The first feeling is that, oh my God, But you realize that when you're that close, it's actually, I think it's the best feeling. Another moment that made me actually thank God that I'm alive and absolutely feel alive. So I think that, Ranthambore is actually was one of my most beautiful trips. And to be so close. So I'm sure I would recommend everyone to go there.
All right, there's a lady there. Yes, ma'am.
Saurabh sir, this question is for you. The marketing campaign that you fleshed out for the channel?
Yeah. We are amplifying it both on our network. In fact, our promotions for the channel are already on home network. We are also going outside network on television. There is a robust print plan. There is a traditional media plan as well as a very strong digital plan. So it's going to be an all-round amplification where we are seeking to reach out to audiences, bringing this whole concept of feel alive to them.
Thank you, Saurabh. Next question, please. Last question, anybody else? Yes, sir, this gentleman in the center.
करीना, आपके बेटे तैमूर को लेके बहुत सारे विवाद हुए हैं. इस दौरान आपके मन में क्या चल रहा था? हमने सुना है कि सैफ ने कहीं कहा भी था कि वो चाह रहे थे कि वो उनका नाम बदल दे और आपने उन्हें रोका. तो ये क्या सच है?
Sir, one small humble request. This is pertaining to the news channel, the new channel which is launching. जो आपका है, आप बाद में पूछ सकते हैं. You might just get a chance with her. But right now, we're going to feel alive with Sony BBC Earth. Give it up for our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Select backgrounds in the picture booth and become a part of this natural world with an exclusive photo memory. And there are some few interactive tables, sir, where you can get more knowledge about Sony BBC Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, सारे guests के लिए तालियां बजा दीजिए, please. Thank you so much.
And you are looking so fabulous and awesome.
23 days नहीं, 63 days.
नहीं, 5 तारीख से Lakme Fashion Week.
हाँ, तभी से या हाँ.
You always.
आप calculate कर रहे हो हर event. 23 days, 63 days from delivery, 23 days.
Many congratulations for being part of this.
Thank you.
You never failed to surprise us with like जब लोग सोच रहे होते हैं आप इससे come back करेंगे उससे come back करेंगे and then you come up with something new.
But कौन सा comeback अभी 9 महीने में आप लोग ने इतने photos लिए इतने interviews लिए थक नहीं गए आपको कौन सा comeback?
नहीं the break.
I didn't go anywhere.
The break.
I want to go now.
So how they plan to be a part of this? This
association.
Sony, yeah.
Sony BBC Earth. I think the association is, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था, that I think that जो मेरी personality है, I think it's very similar to the concept of Sony BBC Earth. Very, very vivacious, very, very happy. I'm a very happy person. और जो भी content है Sony BBC Earth पे, I think it's all about adventure, it's all about nature, it's all about happiness, positivity. And I think that's very similar to the kind of person I am. So I think the coming together of being the Feel Alive ambassador and being the face of Sony BBC Earth, I think it's a great honor, great privilege to be a part of this, to be able to spread such wonderful content.
आप होस्ट कर रहे होंगे कुछ शोज या मतलब लाइक हर वीक आपको चेहरा देखने को मिलेगा क्या ऐसा है?
नहीं हर वीक तो एड्स तो होंगे फॉर श्योर बिकॉज द व्हाट जैसे आपने देखा कैंपेन जो हम लोग ने शूट किया विच इज़ सो गॉर्जियस एंड सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड जिस तरह हम लोग ने शूट भी किया है आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट कैंपेन्स वेयर आई एक्चुअली फेल्ट दैट आई एम नॉट शूटिंग आई एम जस्ट बीइंग माई सेल्फ आई एम बीइंग एग्जैक्टली द वे आई एम एज अ पर्सन. So I think that campaign hopefully will be running, of course, on the channels and there'll be billboards. So don't worry, Sumit, you will get to see a lot of me.
Okay. Nextly, shows or films, and when they come back, do you think they get better deals, better remuneration, and better brands?
I didn't understand your question only.
मतलब मेरा ये है कि जब इंडियन एक्टर्स बाहर जाके काम करके आते हैं लाइक वेदर दे वर्क इन टीवी और फिल्म्स एंड व्हेन दे अगेन कम बैक टू इंडिया आपको लगता है जो उनको ब्रांड्स होते हैं वो वैल्यू ज़्यादा करते हैं रिम्यूनरेशन ज़्यादा मिलता है एंड दे आर बेटर डील्स मिलते हैं लाइक वर्किंग इन अब्रॉड डज मेक देम अ बिगर ब्रांड?
No, that means if you work abroad also doesn't mean anything ना. आप अगर abroad जाएं और वापस यहाँ आए आपकी सैलरी बढ़ेगी वो पता नहीं मुझे. तो I don't know. It's the same thing. कि आप हॉलीवुड में काम कर रहे हो यहाँ काम कर रहे हो. I think your brand value is as much as you deliver and I think it is as much as what your personality is. हर एक brand की एक personality होती है.
Very intelligent. Thank you so much.
I am very intelligent.
BBC Earth को प्रमोट कर रही है तो क्या हम आगे जाके हमें किसी रियलिटी शो के जज या किसी तरह से और जुड़ाव किसी चैनल पे या किसी शो में क्योंकि सैफ पहले एक रियलिटी शो में जज बन चुके हैं तो आगे ऐसा कोई देखना होगा? वो चैनल बंद हो गया जो मैं सैफ की बात कर रहा हूँ.
कौन सा था?
9X.
I don't think he was a judge on anything. I don't think he ever has been. But I mean, ऐसे कभी सोचा नहीं है that whether I will be doing reality or judging. I mean, there are no plans. I'm not against it, but I don't know. I mean, there's no such particular thought कि ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है. It depends. जैसे अगर मेरी personality अगर मेरे वक्त को सूट करे तो I don't know. उस टाइम पे मेरा क्या मन होगा.
और टेलीविजन में आप क्या-क्या देखना पसंद करती हैं? अगर मैं पूछूं इसके अलावा जो आपने बताया कि इस तरह के प्रोग्राम
Of course, I think that हर एक को एडवेंचर और नेचर बहुत पसंद है. खास करके हमारे इंडिया में इतनी नेचर और एडवेंचर है एंड वी डोंट गेट टू सी इट बट आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक टू वॉच दैट. लाइक आई लव मी एंड सैफ लव टू वॉच नेचर, वाइल्ड लाइफ, एडवेंचर, नेचुरल हिस्ट्री. जब भी वक्त मिलता है चाहे वैन में हो या हम लोग घर पे हो डेफिनेटली वी आर ऑलवेज वॉचिंग नेचुरल हिस्ट्री शोज. And apart from that, of course, a lot of comedy, a lot of the different, हर एक channel की अपनी USP होती है. And like everybody else, I also watch TV quite often and like to relax and unwind. Watching a nice adventure show is something that I think husband and wife as a couple, क्योंकि इन्हें तो हमेशा कभी-कभी रिमोट के लिए झगड़ा होता है. But I think Saif and me rarely fight over this because we enjoy watching adventure shows together. So Sony BBC Earth, at least we're going to comfortably put our feet back and watch all the content.
करीना, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. आप मानते हैं कि इन दिनों सोशल मीडिया का प्लेटफॉर्म काफ़ी डेंजरस हो गया है, खास करके सिलेब्स के लिए, या फिर कोई ओपिनियन रखना हो तो भी मतलब लोग ट्रॉल्स करना शुरू कर देते, तो आप मानते हैं कि काफ़ी डेंजरस है सोशल मीडिया का प्लेटफॉर्म?
Well, I'm not on social media, and मुझे I definitely feel that. इसलिए I think I'm one of the few actors that are not on Instagram or Twitter. क्योंकि definitely I think that life is beautiful. इतनी खूबसूरती है दुनिया में, और हर चीज़ पे opinion देना, I think that I'm not somebody like that. I don't like to give my opinion. So I rather watch Sony BBC Earth, put my feet up and watch a nice show and some good content than, troll somebody on Twitter or Instagram.
Okay, Kareena, recently Rangoon release हुई है और कंगना और सैफ की केमिस्ट्री को काफ़ी प्रेज किया गया है. Then when you and Saif coming back on screen?
Well, that is something I don't know. I think whenever there's a good script के ऊपर depend होता है, chemistry के ऊपर नहीं. Chemistry भी अच्छी होती है जब script अच्छी होती है. So whenever there's a good script, I'm sure we'll work together.
Hi Kareena, this is Kaushik. Two Bollywood heroines who have made it really big in the South. But instead of Kareena Kapoor having a big, huge fan following in the South, we haven't seen her in any Southern movies. Given that you get a performance-oriented script, would you go ahead and do that in any South-oriented or South films?
I respect such, they have such great content. All South films, I truly respect and admire them. There's some great actors from Pawan Kalyan to Rajni sir to, so many people are doing such great work, to Mammootty sir. They all do, different content, whether it's Tamil or whether it's, Malayalam cinema, it's all great. But I don't understand the language. So I feel that if I don't understand the language, the connectivity will not be there. That's the only problem. But having said that, I have done one of my career best roles with one of the greatest directors in South, which was Mani Ratnam. So I've had the opportunity of working with him, which was wonderful, and I'll always cherish that.
Thank you so much. So, as a photographer and a nature lover, I've been watching channels like Discovery Channel and National Geographic all over the years. So, I'm curious to know, how is the content on Sony BBC Earth different from the main competing channels, which we all have been seeing since so many years?
I think this has a lot of heart. It has a lot of stories that are very humane, very relatable, even in terms of adventure or natural history or wildlife. Like I told you, even if it's a penguin, if it's an antelope, you feel very humane towards it. You feel like this could happen to you. The hardships they go through, the hunts, the search for food, the dives, different things. I think it's all so humane and so relatable. So of course, Sony BBC Earth, with no offense to any other channel, will have a lot more of heart, a lot more soul, and heart-wrenching stories.